A jury has ruled in the wrongful death case filed by the family of Grace Schara, the 19-year-old who died at St. Elizabeth Hospital in Appleton in 2021 while being treated for COVID-19. Today, her family spoke out after losing their lawsuit against Ascension Health. Local 5's Daniel Schuster has more from outside of the Schara residence.
I'm outside the Schara family household where family members and friends are responding after a jury cleared Ascension Health of any wrongdoing in the death of Grace Schara.
People wonder, are you disappointed? Well, I'm human, so of course I'm disappointed, but I also know that God's ways are not our ways. And so there's no reason to be disappointed once you see He has a bigger purpose.
After years of legal prep and 3 weeks of testimony, an Outagamie County jury ruled in favor of Ascension St. Elizabeth Hospital, rejecting claims that the hospital's actions led to Grace Schara's death.
Having one day to process what took place yesterday in the courtroom, it's heartbreaking, for one. We're going to be honest, because we really did expect the jury to see what they did to Grace.
The family's attorney focused on a disputed do not resuscitate order and what they called a fatal overdose of sedatives. But Ascension's legal team argued the care was medically appropriate and that Grace's death was a result of COVID-19 complications.
We lost the ruling, but I think the arguments we made were important, just having that time to think about it and to argue about it legally.
In a full statement, an Ascension Wisconsin spokesperson said, "The loss of a child is heartbreaking and we extend our deepest sympathies to the family. Throughout this process, we have remained confident in the care provided by our team and in the values that guide our work each day. The health and safety and well-being of our patients, associates, and community members is our top priority, and we are committed to honoring human dignity and acting with integrity and compassion for all persons."
So physically, I hope people realize you've got to take personal responsibility for your health. Do not trust the system. The system is designed not for you, it's designed for them.
Now that the trial is over, the family is turning to faith and to whatever comes next.
Next step is to sleep for one day and then to figure out what God has in mind next. I'm not sure right now. This door has been closed, but when God closes one door, He always opens another. So I just don't know right now.
In Appleton, Daniel Schuster, Local 5 News.
And the Schara family says, well, the verdict didn't go their way. Their push for medical accountability and Grace's legacy is far from over.